If you're looking to make $300 or more per day working from home online, this is the video for you. Hi, my name is Amanda Ray, and I'm going to go over how you can earn $300 a day and the easiest method that you can use to do this. I would love for you to stay till the end of the video because I'm going to give you some great tips on how to do this for free. A lot of people think that they need to have a particular skill set or some type of education to make money from home, and you don't need that. You just need to learn a couple of things that anybody can actually use, something that's newbie friendly and also duplicatable. So here we're looking at my Stripe account, and this is one of the accounts that I get paid through, and I actually made almost $400 yesterday, and so far $300 today. We actually have 4 more hours until midnight, and hopefully this will actually keep rising. So I'm going to hit the refresh button just to show you guys that this is actual live information from today, and this is something that's extremely doable if you know what to do. After this video, if you want to reach out to me to discuss more about what I'm going to teach you today, please feel free to do so. But it's something very simple that a lot of people overlook that's extremely powerful, but easy to do. So one of the things that I use is my personal Facebook page, okay? And before you say, I've tried this, it hasn't worked for me, or this is not easy, or it's complicated, I'm going to show you an easy way to do this. This is when I first actually started using Facebook, how I was using it. Now, it also is important to know the business that you're working and if people are looking to partner with you in the current business that you're promoting. So if you also want to, just talk to me to see if this is a great opportunity to promote whatever it is that you're promoting, feel free to reach out to me and I'll let you know my thoughts based off of the sales page, the company, and all of the information that I see on the sales page. So one of the things that I want to just say is that when I first got into online marketing, I was not doing video marketing. I was making money before video marketing. I just incorporated it as I was more comfortable actually speaking in front of the camera, and that took time. So you can actually use this method without video marketing, even though what I'm going to show you is going to show you're going to see some video marketing, but this is not how I first got started. So I'm going to show you again the easiest method that you can use with Facebook. And not only that, if you want my personal mentorship, in the description below, you'll be able to connect with me and I'll show you step by step, actually set this up with you or for you step by step. So the first thing I went and did was got a professional cover photo. You can have these made for super cheap. They don't have to be expensive to get one done. And I update this like once a year. So it's not something that you have to put money into ongoing. On top of that, you don't need 3 pictures. I just started doing this over time. I did start out with just 1 picture and I use that 1 picture on my cover photo. I will help you to come up with the color scheme, the pictures, everything that you need for your cover photo. So please do not think too much about this. Now, here is where the money is made. I have 4.9K friends, and people think it takes years to get this, but you can actually get to 4.9K friends within like 90 days, 60 to 90 days. I use a tool, a software to do this. That information will also be in the description below. But not only that, I can show you how to use this. It's extremely simple to use, but the software is what keeps me out of Facebook jail. But not only that, it allows me to build these friends up very quickly. And then when I need to delete friends and add new friends, it also helps me to do that as well. And that just alleviates me having to go out and find people and try to sell people my opportunity. I don't do that. People come to me to see what it is that I have, and they want to buy if they're interested in the information that they see once they reach out to me. Now, this is where the money is made, and I'm going to just show you guys some of the posts that I put up that is going to help you to start building momentum within your business. And the thing is that people think, I have to have a huge following. I have to have a huge list. I have to know people in order to start making money. But that's not true. I started out with no list and I built it over the years that I've been doing online marketing. So what I use is something called attraction marketing. And attraction marketing is very easy to use, mainly because people are attracted to what they see. And if your pictures look good enough, you can make a decent amount of money online. So as an example, I put this picture up of myself. This is one of my pictures of me in Miami, just this year that passed, I believe. I put up my results. Now, I didn't have these results before. I just would put up pictures of myself like this. And what happens is when you put up pictures of yourself, or whether it's you and your children, you doing something, whether you're riding a bike or you're jogging, you're going out to a fancy restaurant, maybe you're taking the kids to a movie, people want to know more about what it is that you do and they want to connect with you. So this is me and my daughter here in Miami. I put this up with a $97 payment I received. Again, I used to put these pictures up without payment proof until I started getting proof. And I would just put up a picture like this and I would get 150, sometimes 70 likes. And as I grew my business, this number started to get bigger. So what you want to do is you want to start putting up attractive photos of yourself and your family. It could be of your pet, information about your business without saying the business name. And I'll show you how to do that as well. And this is what's going to allow people to connect with you. Now, I put up these pictures only twice to 3 times a week. So you would be doing the same thing. It's not every day. But then there is a training where I teach people how to start getting these results within the first couple of months. Okay. And what's going to happen is as you continue to put pictures up, you'll start to build momentum. And some of your posts will do over 100, sometimes even over 200 likes. And the reason why this happens is I teach people how to use the social media algorithm to bring people to your page to see what it is that you do and to learn more about your business. I also show people what type of pictures to put up and how to get people to want to know more about what it is that you currently do. So when you put up nice pictures, good quality photos, again, even if it's pictures of your children, pictures of your pets, grandchildren, nieces, nephews, it doesn't matter. People are attracted to that. And then it's basically what you say when you put up your picture that people are attracted to. And then where you get the people from. And again, I show people how to do that by using a software tool that, again, is in the description below that allows you to get these friends and it shows you where to get these friends from. So these aren't just people from anywhere. Most of them are from the US and most of them are in the business that I'm in or they're looking to work from home. And what I do is I target certain audiences and people, not from Facebook groups. I don't use Facebook groups, from other people's friends lists that are interested in doing business, that are interested in affiliate marketing, network marketing, or multi-level marketing, and they may be interested in a work from home opportunity. Okay. So these people are interested in what I have to offer. I have it where my page is set up to help motivate people and inspire people to start a home-based business. And then what I do is I incorporate information about my business so that people will want to know what it is that I do. So again, I'm willing to teach people how to do this. If you want to reach out to me, you're looking to make $300 a day or more, you can do that for free using your Facebook page. You do not have to buy paid traffic. You do not have to invest in solo ads. You don't have to learn how to use a ton of different social media platforms. I'm basically using Facebook for the most part and YouTube, secondly, but mainly Facebook to promote my business opportunities. So if you want more information, you want to connect with me, my information is in the description below. You can send me a text or you can connect with me on Facebook Messenger, and I will give you more information about how to start building your business, getting ongoing traffic organically through social media. So thanks so much for watching this video. Look forward to seeing you in the next one and have a great day.